What is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos just like this. And in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your nickname on Discord Mobile. So it's pretty simple to change your nickname on your Discord Mobile. And before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow. And let's start the video. Now to change your nickname on Discord Mobile, it's pretty simple. First step is you want to go to the server in which you want to change your nickname. Now your nickname varies according to your server, alright? So first go to the server where you want to change your nickname. So right now I'm on my server Chimkandi where I want to change my nickname over here. Now once I go to the server, basically I want to click on this three dot which is right beside the server's name over here. Click on this three dot. Now once I'm over here, I want to scroll down until I see nickname over here. As you guys can see, change nickname, and you want to click on where it says change nickname. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can change your nickname to whichever you want. Now let me change it to, so this is the nickname I want. So after choosing the nickname I want, I can click on save and my nickname should be saved just like that. It's that simple. So let me type something over here to ensure that my name has changed. As you guys can see, my name has changed. That's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to subscribe to our One to Step YouTube channel, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.